go. I'm about to play this. Hopefully it's not too loud. We're gonna see.
I spit out a paragraph, paraphrase, share the map, staircase. They see how I'm going up. I won't even stare back, airspace, tear the track, snare at the base, I bag it and fold it up. I'm tagging they toes up, they latching on the back of a tow truck for free rides. Monty, I was caught by Jehovah, from knee high I was gone, now you sticking your nose up and we see why. Just because the leaves been falling don't mean a tree died. When you talk it's like the truth go missing, God be steady speaking now but you don't listen. Y'all don't talk about the crucifixion, yet you out here wondering why your crew so fiction. I admit it, I'ma kill it, I got a lot more. I'm offended, I ascended up to the top floor. I repented, I was sinning and couldn't stop, whoa. I spit the Esco bars on Pablo, infinite written, intricate spitting. Temple is risen, been in the kitchen, flipping the system. Vision is vivid, I've been that kid with the mission. Get the rule off till Christmas. The devil lurking, I don't mess with snakes, so I keep a Draco like Professor Snake. Hopped out the plane, I'm a parachuter. Devil wanna aim, but he know I keep a pair of shooters. One on my left and one on my right, like on Larry Hoover. Long nose look like a barracuda. If you love her and can't bear to lose her, dog, don't be sorry you ain't share it sooner. A treasonous legion, an army of evil. I'm reaching for Jesus to block when they seeking to harm me. A season of reaping the harvest and keeping my feet with the teaching of God has been creeping upon me. I'm so free, God, I got the holy key. Oh yeah, I'm so free, God. I know they wanna agree, but I don't really care if they're aware. I just put a prayer up in the air. He won't give me more than I can bear. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so free, God. I got the holy key. Oh yeah, I'm so free, God. I know they wanna agree, but I don't really care if they're aware. I just put a prayer up in the air. He won't give me more than I can bear. Yeah. Called mama to thank her for praying for me. She know people perish, demons daring me. Top shotter, I came in the game foreign and broke, beating bare, but he been sparing me. My speech is rare, my team is seraphim. Can't breathe this air, I need some clarity. With frequent prayer, I defeat the haters. They wily coyote until they gotta meet they maker. We meet deep and we need our savior. He was beat for no reason, like a preseason player. So thankful. I know I was spending my life trying to put it all at his throne. You know I'm a savage, I'm broken and battered. My soul is so callous, I'm so I'm a talent. I'm loading the cannon, I'm showing the pattern. My hope is in Jehovah, I'll never fold. I know with the boat how I flow. I'm so free, God, I got the holy key. Oh yeah, I'm so free, God. I know they wanna agree, but I don't really care if they're aware. I just put a prayer up in the air. He won't give me more than I can bear. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so free, God. I got the holy key. Oh yeah, I'm so free, God. I know they wanna agree, but I don't really care if they're aware. I just put a prayer up in the air. He won't give me more than I can bear. Yeah. I'm so free, God. I won't let you fall. I'm so free, God. I won't let you fall. I don't really care if they're aware. I just put a prayer up in the air. He won't give me more than I can bear. I won't let you fall.
The only reason I did that is because I just wanted to give myself a little bit of motivation for the morning. But hopefully that wasn't like too disturbingly loud, and it wasn't nothing, insane. But we'll see. So previous to this, I just want to kind of go over this with you guys. I made myself obviously that cheat sheet that I showed in my previous video. I was waiting for these lows to get taken out, and then I was going to decide if I was going to go for longs or shorts. As you can see, market opens. We go and take this fair value gap, which also this leads to this order block being retested. In the 1 hour, 5 minute, we knock out all these lows. Just a second confirmation from the 1 hour. So this is nothing but longs. If I can catch a, not necessarily a sweep because we're already sweeping these lows, but if I can catch a rejection of it not going lower than this right here, I'm looking for longs. But if we start going lower, I'm not looking for longs. And by that time, I'm looking for shorts. Um, as you can see, we rejected inside of the box, which is key. So I just want to see what happens here, but I think we'll actually get a really, really good trade today on gold. I'm not in the mood to play around with SPX right now. I love SPX or ES, whatever you guys want to call it. It's just, I get real tired of playing with choppy markets. I get real tired of playing this stupid game where we have one good day that's a solid trade, and then you sit here and deal with a freaking sideways market. all day until like 2 o'clock. Like who wants to wait for that crap? Like I just don't got time for that. All right, let's see what's it's doing right now. Oh, not bad. I mean, shoot, if it shows me a retest before this one, then I'll go for it. But this is just irritating my soul. Like I deal with SPX so much just to sit here and get the same reaction every single time. Um, 5 minute sweep. Let's see if we can go for a breaker structure on the lower time frame. That ain't break it. Why don't you? I know this looks like I'm just sitting here being all over the place, but that may be the case. I wouldn't necessarily take this immediately, but that could be a good inverse value gap for like this high. These highs, I don't know about all that. To be honest, I still think that it needs to create a sweep around here on the lower time frame. See? Prime example. Yeah. Jesus. I have more faith on gold right now than I do SPX, but you know, I meant to make a video last night, but dude, I'm not gonna lie. I've been procrastinating hard. Like last night, I was supposed to make a video talking about basically reasons why I'm still not a profitable trader. And I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be a really, really good video that I suggest you guys to watch because I'm gonna talk to you about how there's times that I take the right trade, but I have the wrong take profits. There's times that I'm forcing trades when, I'm seeing confirmations. There's times where I'm too distracted. So, it kind of goes with the first thing, taking the right trade, but not the right take profit. But if I was paying attention, I would have been taking the right trade. So, I'm gonna kind of go over a lot of things, and I think that's kind of what I'm gonna do with my YouTube right now, especially the fact that I'm not trading off of a lot of capital or, just uh, not truly trading with a funded right now. It's because obviously I don't have the capital for it. Um, we're gonna see what we can do to beat around the bush per se, because I still want to take trades, but at the same time, if it's gonna bore me, I don't want to post it. Be very honest. So we'll see what happens. I'm kind of looking at gold on my phone, and I'm looking at SPX on the chart. So I still got my eyes on both of them. SPX is looking somewhat cleaner. I still don't see this being a buying opportunity just at the moment. So I don't know. I feel like there's a huge buying opportunity on gold though. Just feel like SPX has been so risky. And like sideways is ridiculous. Let's see how far did we go? We did retest that, so that's perfect. We didn't take that high either, so let's see target these highs just because they're obviously areas of liquidity. Um Let me see. Target higher, possibly. Just put this out there. That probably would be another good area of target. Just because there is a big fair value gap, like exponential. Can't even speak. Exponentiary zone, like exponentiary candle with a order block in the lower time frame. So that just goes to show that there could be a good target right there. Possibly, not a guaranteed. Oh, 5 minute order block. So it's perfect. That'd be a nice take profit. Let's see what SPX does today. So In other words, we got our sweep, previous to market open, we had a sweep. Then we also had a sweep to this 5-minute low. Excuse me. Truly, excuse me. Yep. 5-minute low sweep. We're catching a 1-minute break. I'm just wanting to see, if there's a fair value gap. So if we can get this candle to close above, and then we also get a exponential candle, so this takes this high, and then we get a retest, I might actually be longing on SPX. It's been a while since I've seen a trade like this. Go ahead and switch over. It's looking very clean right now. It's exactly what I want to see. Just give me a fair value gap retest now. Got it. All right. I'm gonna turn off for the retest. I don't have enough money. Are you serious? Oh shoot, I forgot I took a trade on freaking gold last night. I've been taking trades and I literally screwed myself over. I don't have enough money to get into gold to SPX right now. That's crazy. That's actually heartbreaking. I actually find this solid freaking setup for once. Let me just go ahead and let this thing play out. Come on, give me a retest. That is insane. That's heartbreaking. I was not prepared for that. Well, if it's gonna even retest. Retest. If it goes to take the high, then it's not even a retest. Oh goodness. Let's see what gold's putting down. The moment I finally had an opportunity. What a bummer. I'll just went off of gold real quick. It's crazy, bro. This is a solid freaking trade for buy right now. The moment this box gets retested, that's a golden trade to the upside. We got our sweep to the 5-minute on the lows, and then we got a breaker structure to the upside on the highs. This is a perfect retest to take this high. Insanity, dude. What a heartbreaker. I'll still act like I'm actually taking this trade, but I'm not.
Are you recording?
Mhm. You can come back if you need to.
No, I'm gonna tell you something.
Is it something crazy? Is it something crazy?
Not bad.
What?
I got a $500 scholarship and I get to keep like 270.
Well, good. Where'd that come from?
My CNA scholarship.
So like they just gifted you the cash?
I get $500.
Uh-huh.
Class is the other part of the 270.
Oh wow.
But I won't get it till like the end of the semester. But
It's still money. You said pricing?
mm,
Yeah.
yeah, because I thought it was just for class, but I didn't know I got some more.
No, yeah, baby. That's good, for real.
Shut up.
Okay. We'll talk about it here in a second.
You giving me that. Good morning, America. Whoa,
Like,
that's not me. That's him. I promise. He's a-
get that retest right here. This is crazy, bruh. Like freaking redonkulous, brother. Redonkulous. Mm. Dude, hit the box. Stop being foolish. Did it hit it on? No, it didn't hit me. It didn't hit it on my broker either. What's up with this? Why does it do that? You have days where it don't even touch the box, but it acts like it did, and then it goes in this insane print to wherever side, to the Neverlands. Hmm. I wouldn't have entered off of this. It's not a retest. It's literally not even a retest. Oh, I'm actually kind of well. Sure. That's going to create the fair value gap. I wasn't thinking. Squeezing. What is my capital right now? 65. Oh, I'm $2 away. Shoot, make a quick trade on what's it called? You won't tell me that it rejected off of this tiny fair gap. If this junk don't stop playing games, can't believe it really did that. Took this high, ain't never taken this high. Good gracious. What took a trade? That would have been an easy trade now. Would have called 15 pips. Pretty solid. You will make a way. You always make a way. Jesus. You say say it again. I can't remember exact, but her keys are in my her key to her Rogue is in my car. I mean, in my desk on the top. But warranty wise, I think she did. I just can't remember exactly what. But Kira would know. Oh, I thought you were saying that she was there. That's why I was confused. My bad. Oh yeah, she got something. Oh yeah, I don't know that. But I said, you know, they jack up my pay all the time. That's why I don't even be freaking tripping because obviously I'm not even close to draw. But yeah, you should try to figure out what you can do because you already overdraw and plus, you just want to make sure Kira ain't. Uh-huh. Say, hope that junk gets figured out because that's gonna be something else in the meeting to talk about, if anything. Cam there right now? Chill, chill. Do you think what's her name coming today? He is? Okay. I gotta say, yeah, shoot, I'll be in there the next 2 hours, so guess that's what we're gonna do. But shit, yeah. I'm about to say, hopefully you can get that figured out. Say, yep. You know he's making everybody else do everything but him, so that's just kind of how it's going. Yeah. Nah, let them know. 'Cause she literally said in the meeting, she was like, if your sheets is not right, let us know. Especially your Google reviews. Sure, yeah. I'll figure it out because I'm gonna see what they got on my sheet because that's gonna be funny. All right, yeah. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, bro. Give me cook. See if my trade would have hit on SPX. Boom, boom, boom. Easy W. And of course, I couldn't freaking get it. That's insane, brother. That is insane. I wanted that. I really did. That easy dub right there. And of course, I didn't have the money for it. I knew that was literally TP. See how this gold trade goes. I do got to get ready to go to work here in a little bit. Today's my lady, and so we're gonna see how this goes. Excuse me. I don't know if you guys realize, but I'm going for like a 30 to 40 pip trade, which is kind of insane. Well, 30. 30 pip trade I'll go on. I don't really go for longs. Oh, Jesus. I don't really go for TPs like that, but the fact of me seeing such, areas of liquidity, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. But we're gonna see what we can do with this small account. Build it as much as we can. Be nice if we can catch this dub. Because on the one that I didn't take a trade, I caught a dub. And on the one that I am taking a trade, if I don't, that's gonna be freaking crazy. But my strategy is like on point. Like honestly, realistically, I think the main thing that was affecting my strategy, I wasn't waiting for every confluence to hit. The moment I saw a confluence, I was panicking if the next confluence didn't show. I've been in the trading game for a little bit now, and I know some people are gonna say, "Well, I've only been doing it for months, and I'm this far. I've been doing it for years, and I'm still struggling." Da da da. Everybody's journey is different. It's not for anyone to talk junk about. It's not for anyone to make someone feel less than. The thing is, if you're profitable, you're profitable, and if you're not, you're not. If you can be profitable, teach others how to be profitable instead of bragging about being profitable. If you're not profitable, keep getting to work. That's the whole point. Everybody wants to be profitable. The whole point is either trying to show them or working to be there. That's all it is. Yeah, step out real quick. Nose is running. Jesus. Goodness gracious, boy. Getting cooked now. Getting cooked. Mm. Let's see what Price got in store for me today. A minute for Vega. I could extend my stop loss, but I am at a huge risk of losing way more than I want to if I do that. Be quietly honest. Either this is a perfect freaking, either this is a perfect selling retest right now, or this is a perfect rejection for it to be a buy signal. It can go two ways. Because 1 minute we did get a sweep, we did just get a break, and now we have a fair value gap. So either this is it. This is it. Let's see what happens. Mm. Heartbreak. Mean rejection, dude. I really do need to buy a freaking challenge, you know. It sucks because obviously I don't have the capital. I trade differently when I have actual capital, and it sucks because it's like I just repeated myself. It sucks because I trade with care when I have more capital. When I have less capital, I just want more capital. That's the only reason why I trade, wanting more capital. But then when I have the right capital, I'm trading like with persistence. And obviously that's frustrating because it's a mindset that I'm stuck in because it's happened to me over time. I'll be in situations where I have $100 in the account and I'm trading to make the account bigger. I'm not trading to win the trade. I'm not trading because my setup is there. I'm trading because I want the money. And when you trade because you want the money, you're trading for the wrong reasons. If you're not trading because your strategy is put there, it's going to mess with you mentally multiple times over and over and over. And that's something you have to fight for yourself because ain't nobody going to change that mindset of yours but you. And it's frustrating because, you can do it over and over and over and understand why you're losing and still not change that habit. So it's mind boggling. Easy way to say it. I do think that if we are good for this trade to keep going, we're going to be here for a while. So I might end up wrapping this up pretty soon. That trade literally lasted, what, 950 all the way to 9 minutes. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Need a haircut bad. Yeah. I think I'm gonna probably cut this around 10:30 as long if I'm still in it. So we'll see. I know that there was news. Oh my gosh, of course I didn't fix it to the right day. It's not even Monday anymore. There's nothing. Ooh. Ooh. A lot of FOMC on Thursday. That's not good. Well, it's not bad, but it's a lot, bro. And of course, getting cooked. Uh, I think I might extend my stop loss. I really don't have the funds to be losing right now. Dang it, dude. Like, that's killing me right now. The fact that there was a trade. If I would have took it, I would have caught a W. And then I'm dealing with crap like this. Just getting cooked alive all because I don't have capital. TP just got smashed on TradingView. TP still hasn't been smashed on my end. Right. So see what happens. I mean, 5 minute looks clean, but we gonna see. Like 5 minute just made an insane doji. There's a 5 minute. I want to show you guys. So there's this doji to the downside, and then we got another doji coming up to the upside. Which obviously this is a evening star, if I'm not wrong. Morning would be above, evening would be at the bottom. So if this really is an evening star, this is flying to my TP. That's if we can continue to close. That's what we're putting out right now. Continue to be a blue. Close blue for me. This thing's about to skyrocket just because of a pattern being revealed. 30 seconds, and then I got a guaranteed W trade. Big body. Let's go. That's literally an evening star setup. That's insane. Let's see how much this pump's gonna be. The moment everybody sees it, it's just gonna start flying. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this because one, I said I was gonna end around 10:30. I do believe this trade's gonna be a W, so I'm just gonna have to make a part two. It's probably gonna hit TP around like 1 o'clock. And I'm not waiting till 1 o'clock to finish recording this video. But if it ends up hitting sooner, I'll get back with you guys. But that's really about it for me. I do need obviously more capital on my account so I can actually trade off of SPX when it does give me those freaking golden setups that we literally just saw. Oh, so it's just obviously a matter of process. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of patience. Don't get me wrong. As much as I want to be on a funded challenge and be taking trades like this, I still have to wait. I don't have the capital for what I want right now. So I just have to be patient. But when my time does come when I can actually buy a legit funded account, I just have to move accordingly because it's the only thing that's going to change anything. Yeah, like there's one account that I'm looking at so much right now, and I want it so bad because they have such a good freaking discount. I mean, it's insane, but it's actually a solid account. I'm wanting to get it, but I might have to see what my finances look like. So also, it's the same that account that I tried to buy previously, but they were rejecting me because it was coming back like fraud or something. So we'll see what happens. But dude, if I can get that account, oh my gosh, I'll be super excited. We'll see though. We will see. I'm gonna let this play out just for a little bit more.
Watch with me.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get off, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. If there's one thing I can tell you guys, I didn't even know if my camera's messed up this entire time. I apologize. There's one thing I can tell you guys is, no matter how hard it may be, continue to be faithful to the storm. He's faithful. You just gotta try your hardest to be faithful. You gotta keep your eyes on him. I'm gonna keep preaching this and try my hardest to not be a hypocrite because it's hard also for me to, know the truth and also not go against it. So in this moment, we're here to sharpen one another. I love you guys. Appreciate you watching. If you came this far, we're gonna try to catch this dub and more dubs in the future to where I can actually show you those 10K, 15K, 16K, 20K day trades that are live. So in the near future. But in Jesus' name, I love you guys.